Today I will show how you can set up these server map message using Sapphire bot. Create a message template and copy the channel codes. Tag your channel and put a / in front of it and hit enter. Now copy this and paste it on your message template. You don't have to always tag the channel and put a /. Just copy the channel ID and replace it on the message. That's how you can set up server map message using Sapphire bot. Join my Discord server if you need any help.